gang, it's Jeff Black here from Beechmont Ford Performance. Wanted to take a couple minutes to tell you about a really cool story. So as you know, we are the performance dealer. We supercharge Mustangs, F-150s, ship them all over the country, but we also sell performance vehicles, such as this beautiful GT500. Now, here's the fun part about this. This car was not actually purchased here, but yet the owner felt that we were the place to bring it to do what we call the PDI, which is pre-delivery inspection. I've got Colin, our service advisor here, and he's going to give you a little bit of an idea of what is entailed in that PDI.
Alrighty guys, as Jeff already kind of brought you up to speed, this is a beautiful GT500 that was brought to us for the pre-delivery inspection. Now the pre-delivery inspection on this beast is more involved than a regular pre-delivery inspection. We'll start off with first and my most favorite part of this vehicle, the Shelby chin splitter. The Shelby chin splitter is very important to install it correctly, because if not, it's going to come off, damage your car, damage the chin splitter, and most important, damage your ego. They do have us add a oil separator that comes factory with the GT500. We got that done. We also added a gurney flap that comes with that package as well. So this customer is on his way to come collect his vehicle, and if you need anything from us, feel free to give us a call and we're happy to take care of you.
So, even if you didn't buy your performance vehicle from us, we are more than happy to have you bring it here so that it can get serviced properly and taken care of by people like Colin, who are also car guys. Thanks guys, we hope to see you here soon. Bye-bye.